नमस्कार, हम हैं नई दिल्ली के जंतर मंतर। नई दिल्ली के जंतर मंतर हमारे साथ एक सर जो है वो मिले हमसे और हमसे उन्होंने बातचीत करी ऑफ कैमरा। उन्होंने मणिपुर की घटनाओं के बारे में काफ़ी कुछ बताया, लेकिन हम चाहते हैं कि वो घटनाएं कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो हम समाज के समक्ष भी ये रखना चाहते हैं, तो हम जानने की पूरी कोशिश करेंगे। मैं बताना चाहूँगी सर जो है मैतेई समाज से दो समुदाय हैं वहाँ पर, कुकी और मैतेई, लेकिन सर जो है मैतेई समाज से हैं। सर क्या कुछ घटनाएं हो रही हैं वहाँ पे, क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? पहले अपना परिचय, इंट्रोडक्शन।
No, I think I'm representing the indigenous people of Manipur. I am not representing the Meitei community. You must know it first. The people should know it first because I am not representing the Meitei community only. I am representing the indigenous people, including all other also. I am not against Kuki community. You must know it. And this is per the Supreme Court order passed on 17 March 2025. Delimitation of the state of Manipur should be processed within 3 months, and they have granted 3 months time to the central government for furnishing details of delimitation. So, in the present context, where Manipur is full of illegal migrants coming influx from Myanmar. So, without delineating the foreigners, the illegal migrants from Manipur or from Manipur, then delimitation process is a dangerous threat to the indigenous community. So, census exercise should be done properly. That means the foreigners, illegal migrants, whether the illegals might be Kukis, Tangkhul or Meitei, those foreigners should be deported, should be expelled from the state of Manipur. Then after delimitation should be completed. So my opinion is that the opinion of the indigenous community is that NRC, National Register of Citizenship, should be done first, then delimitation should follow it. Okay, then without delineating the foreigners from the indigenous people, I think this delimitation should not be done because the decadent growth rate of foreigners in 2001 census has shown up to 120% increase, 120% surge. So, first, National Register of Citizenship, NRC, should be completed first, then delimitation should be done. This is number one. Number 2 point, the highways. We have got 3 national highways in our state. Then, without protecting the national highways by way of establishing highway protection force, many drivers have been killed along the national highways, and 6 months, 1 year, we are facing blockade on national highways.
इस चीज जो घटनाएं वहाँ पे हो रही है, सिचुएशन है, इसको दोषी किसको मानते हैं आप? ये दोषी कौन है इसमें?
It should be the problem. The Samishya should be resolved through dialogue, through political solution, not by military crackdown. Because I am not, the indigenous peoples are not against Kuki. Against Kuki. We are also human beings. Kukis are also human beings. We are living with them for decades. For decades. We are not against them, but we are against Kuki militants coming from Myanmar.
इसका सोल्यूशन कैसे है? सोल्यूशन क्या है?
Solution, I am suggesting political solution to the present crisis. That's the
Give the message. Give the message. You give the message.
I want to give a message to the indigenous people, to the people of the country that the present crisis should be resolved through political solution. So one should not be against any community, because I love Kuki, I love Meitei, I love Meitei Pangan, Muslims, I love Tangkhuls, Nagas, I love everything, because we are all human beings. We are peace-loving people. Meiteis are peace-loving people. So I am not against Kuki, but I am against terrorists.
आप लोगों के अगेंस्ट नहीं है लेकिन टेररिज्म के
Yes, I am against terrorism. So people should be conscious of this mindset. People should be conscious. I appeal to the general public to be conscious of this theory, of this social theory. Okay.
थैंक यू
Thank
सर
you. Thank you.
अपना नाम
My name is Shamngao.
ओके
Okay.